Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here today with another vlog. So for those of you guys who are new here, welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I wanted to go ahead and bring you guys with me. I'm gonna be running a lot of errands. I am actually in my car right now. I was just eating my breakfast sandwich, and I'm going to head out to the nail salon because my nails are just way overdue. I haven't done my nails in about a whole month. That is crazy. So I usually go every single 2 weeks to get my nails done, and I just have not had a chance to go. So I just finished getting my nails done and they look so pretty. They are like a pink chrome. I am so obsessed with them. They look so cute, and I also got a different shape. I got almond today. I usually always get like a square or stiletto, so I wanted to try something different. So I did get almond, and I actually forgot to tell you guys, I'm so happy because my window tints have been clear for a while since I purchased my car. If you guys have not seen my car review, you guys should definitely check it out. It will be in my description box. But I finally got my tint windows, and oh my god, it makes such a big difference. Notice on the side that it just looks darker in here as well. But I am now going to go get some food. I have been eating pretty healthy, so I'm kind of deciding if I want to eat something healthy or if I want to get pho. I've been craving pho for the longest, and I am actually close by to the place that I always go for pho. It's about like 30 minutes away from my house, so I'm around the area. So I'm like, okay, should I go get pho? Maybe I will. So I think I'm gonna go get some pho. So I got a pho brisket and also a Thai tea. This is by far my favorite place. Look at how good this looks. So do you guys see all of this mess? My closet is currently a disaster. I just kind of been on the go, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up all this mess. I did also do some shopping. I do have a Zara haul coming soon, so stay tuned for that. I have a lot of dirty clothes there, and then I also just did laundry. So I have my tripod here because I'm gonna be recording some TikTok videos, but I did do laundry, so I just sorted out everything here. Some of this clothes, like some of the pants, like these cargo pants, they're wrinkled, so I'm gonna go ahead and iron them. I already put out my ironing board and my iron, so first gonna start off with putting this clean clothes away. So I just sorted out all of my clothes. So I have some dresses here, my socks, pants, leggings, pajama sets, and then right over on this side, right over here, I have more dresses and tops, and then jackets back there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start hanging everything up. I actually don't have that many clothes that I have to put away. I like to try to wash every week or every like 3 days. The longest I'll wait is every week because I hate putting so much clothes away. So I had all of my dirty clothes right here in this section, but I did go ahead and put it in here, my laundry hamper. And then here I just have this clothes because this is clothes that I'm going to be posting on my Poshmark. If you would like to shop my closet, the link will be down below. I do always post new items. A lot of these items are like brand new. I just never had the chance to return them. Like this dress from here is brand new. I'm going to be posting it on Poshmark. So I just cleaned this shelf. Now I'm just putting back these bins And these bins are so convenient because if you ever want to just clean the shelf, it's very easy. You just remove the bins. I used to not use these bins and just lay everything out here, and everything will also get so messy. So in here I have all of my sports bras, these two, and then in here I just have my biker shorts. So I am finally finished cleaning my closet. It looks so much better now. I feel like I can breathe and finally get ready. I did also go ahead and sweep, and I also mopped. But this is what my closet looks like clean. And if you guys want to go ahead and see a full detail closet tour, I did make a video a couple months ago, so I will make sure to link that down below. Okay, so now that I'm finished cleaning my closet, I did want to show you guys some of the items that I picked up from Ulta. So the first item that I got from Ulta is this Tea Tree Special Shampoo. This is for colored hair. I don't know why, but I always get a lot of dandruff, and this one actually has like eucalyptus, so it makes your scalp feel very fresh. So this is my go-to shampoo. So I like to use this one to like cleanse my scalp, and then I also like to use the Olaplex. I feel like the Olaplex has really helped out my hair with a lot of like breakage. The next product that I got is this Evane 10-in-1 primer. This is like my 7th bottle that I bought. It works so good. It works on damp hair and also dried hair. It makes your hair feel really soft after. It is a heat protector, a detangler, it reduces frizz. So this one I definitely recommend. I will link it down below in the description box. But this is my go-to. I like to use it before I straighten or curl my hair, or before I blow dry my hair. So I'm going to be traveling soon, so I needed a travel size heat protector. This one is Redken, number 25. I did also need a serum for traveling. This one is Mitchel, the Super Skinny Serum. I just need one of these because my hair, it always gets frizzy like on top, so I need to use some type of oil to keep my hair down and to also make it look nice and shiny. So now going on to makeup. I don't really like makeup. I try to wear it just when I go out. Every single day I just wear like a tinted moisturizer like I'm wearing today. It doesn't look the best, but I just don't like wearing makeup. But I'm gonna go ahead and just share some of my favorite makeup products with you guys that I also picked up from Ulta. And as you guys can see, if you guys watch like all my vlogs, I am never wearing makeup. I like to just have nothing on my skin. I usually just put moisturizer and I'm out the house. So the first product that I got is Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. This is a really good powder. It does really keep my makeup nice, and it makes my foundation stay longer. This one actually lasts 24 hours. So there's been a couple of times where I fall asleep with my makeup when I come home late at night, and I use this one and I wake up and it looks like I just got my makeup done. So this one is really good. It is in the shade True Beige number 130. And going on to the next item is this Maybelline Eraser multi-use concealer. This one is also really good. This is my 3rd one that I've purchased. I usually just like to stick to the same makeup routine. I need to change it up a little bit, but I just feel like this concealer is really good. Also, if you look at the Ulta reviews on this concealer, there are so many, and I believe this one is like a 4.5 stars. And this one is in the shade 115. It's called Shade Tainty. I don't know how to pronounce it. And the next item is this brow pencil. It is a soft brown from Maybelline, color 225. So I've been struggling with my eyebrows. I recently went to go get them like laminated and the tints. It only lasted me about a week, and I've tried like every single eyebrow product, and it just, for some reason, it doesn't stay on my eyebrows. So it always comes off like on the corners. Like my eyebrows, I hate my eyebrows. I hate doing them. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a try. Make sure you guys comment down below what is your favorite eyebrow products or any recommendations, because my eyebrows need to be on fleek. Okay, and the next product is the brow glue. So I do feel like this one has helped out my eyebrows. I feel like it does keep them in place for a couple hours, not the full day, but a couple hours. So this one is also my second, no, actually this is my third one. I so far like this one over the Anastasia one. The Anastasia one, I feel like it just gets dried fast. And then a last product for makeup. I'm actually going to be trying this one for my first time. It is the Master Prime by Maybelline. This one is actually for redness. I have a lot of redness. I don't know why, but I want to go ahead and try this one. So I hope I like it. And the next item, I am the queen of self-tanning. So I needed to get another mitt. They usually have really cute ones, like flower ones every season, but they didn't have any this time. So I just got the classic pink and brown one from Ulta Beauty Collection. And the last item I got from Ulta is this Echo Tools makeup brush shampoo. This one works really good. I've tried the e.l.f. one. I didn't really like it. It takes a while for the makeup to come off. This one with the little bowl, like the bowls that you use to clean the makeup, or just any bowl, you just put a little bit, you mix it with water, and like you let the brush sit there for a bit, and it cleans your brushes really good, and it also smells good. So those are all the items that I got from Ulta. I will go ahead and link them down below in the description box. Make sure you guys comment down below which ones are your guys' favorite top products from Ulta. Okay, and I do want to show you guys something else that I purchased, and I just got here today, so I am so excited. I just purchased a brand new iPad. I don't have an iPad. I only have a laptop and just my phone, and I also have like a desktop monitor. But I'm excited for this because I have really gotten into content creation, and I feel like my phone is just getting like taken up. I do also have a work phone, but I use that just for work. But I did want an iPad just so I can go ahead and create cute aesthetic templates, and also just keep all of my content in this iPad. And I also purchased the Apple Pen, so I am so excited to be using this. Let me know if you guys want me to do a review on this iPad in about a week to 2 weeks to see how I like it, but I cannot wait to use this iPad. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will go ahead and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.